Hey guys, it's Bambrielle. I am back with another holiday makeup look, and so this holiday is obviously Mardi Gras. In this video I'll show you how I went about this and what products I used. If we're gonna get some Mardi Gras looks in, I'm thinking obviously you have to go for the same colors that are for Mardi Gras. So you got purple, gold, and green. Now I'm gonna mix some black into there because I feel like that'll just kind of bring it all together. I'm thinking the Urban Decay Elements palette because it has a lot of shimmer shades, and when you think of Mardi Gras, you might think, let's go all out, let's be extra. And I think the Elements palette is a good example of being extra. I'm also going to use the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette because this is a lot more of the matte shades of literally like any color you could want. So the very first thing I did, which is the very first thing I ever do, is put on chapstick because I know if I wear anything on my lips later, they're going to be chapped. So next we're going to go into the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Obviously, what else do you use? I mean, come on. And I think this is a better setup than my first video. Oh, also, for those of you who had seen my first video, I happen to have a sinus infection, which is why my nose was stuffed for 2 weeks. So that makes sense, and I figured I did, but I hadn't gone to the doctor yet. I'm feeling a lot better. Obviously my nose does not sound stuffed anymore. Thank God. We are going to start off. Oh my God, I don't have enough brushes. We're just gonna work with what we got. Alrighty. My brushes. Alright, so first I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics palette because, hello, matte pretty colors. So I'm going into this, should I go in the lime green? Yeah, we'll go in this lime green color. Oh my God, it's so bright. It's okay. So we're going to start off. Oh yeah, definitely lime green. Look how pigmented this stuff is. Comes with like one freaking swipe. You go BH. Affordable and pigmented. Hello. Oh, such bright colors. We're just gonna go in with the same brush, but we're gonna wipe it off on a tissue. Because even though it doesn't look clean, it's not going to come off with anything, right? Nothing there. See? Beautiful. Alright. Let's go into the purple on the outside now. Wow, this is so pigmented. I can't get over it. BH, you outdid yourself. I have like really loud upstairs neighbors. Not really sure why they're so loud. Like, they literally just stomp around. Like, it's definitely boys that live up there. Beautiful. So we're gonna go into the black color on the BH Cosmetics palette, and we're just gonna go right in the middle of the two and try to blend them together. We'll see if this works. I did not test this out before, so it's an experiment. I'm a scientist. Us scientists love to run experiments. This makeup look is definitely one of them. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. blending brush because I feel like it does a pretty good job blending. So we're gonna first go on the top here to try to make it look not so stark against my skin, and maybe just like blend them a little bit into each other. Hopefully I'm not blending the black too much into the colors, which I probably am. It's fine. I'm gonna go from the green into the black just because I feel like that's gonna create an easier blend than black into green. Not bad. Alright, now I'm just gonna go back and forth between these two because I feel like they blend pretty seamlessly. Oh, this looks cool. I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay palette. It's so pretty. I can't get over it. Oh, I do have another one. Oh. I found my brushes. I thought I had more. This is actually a Wet n Wild brush, and I got it at the dollar store actually. They're not bad, especially if you're just gonna use them for blending or for packing, anything like that. So I'm gonna go into, let's go for Secret Keeper. This one here. I love shimmers. I know some people just like hate them, but I love them. So reusing that, but I'm gonna use the back side of it that's not so used. And I'm gonna go into Hex Remedy, this nice bright purple one here. Just gonna pack that on the outer edge where I had purple. Oh, heck yeah. Hex yeah. Wow, that was so bad. It's basically how I want to go about it. I'm just gonna go completely over everything because why not? If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not really worried about it. But I'm feeling this, I really am. I'm gonna go ahead and put my liner on. So I'm using the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. So the thing with this one is it forms these like weird, I don't know if you can see it, weird like tufts of like dried eyeliner, and it's always done that like ever since I first got it. So we're just gonna go ahead and lightly just line our eyes. Or if you're like me, you might try to do it lightly and end up making it very thick. And there it goes. Every time, without a reason. Bring that boy out. Bring him back in. Oh, sugar. It's Mardi Gras, it can be dramatic. I'm gonna go for this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in Crystal Gold. And I'm just gonna line the top of my eyeliner. It's a Mardi Gras look, you have to have gold in there. Oh, someone's got a dog. Oh, I wish I had a dog. Alright, let that dry a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward while this dog is barking and do the rest of my face. So I just went ahead and did my whole face. I used Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder, and Tarte blush, and then Too Faced bronzer. Oh, and Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So one thing I did forget to do was to do my waterline. I normally use the NYX Retractable black eyeliner. This is my go-to every time. And one reason obviously is because it's cheap. I just love the NYX products though. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my eyes and then we'll go into my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use these bold false lashes from Eat Sleep Lash Repeat. I got this at TJ Maxx. I've never used them before, so we'll see how they look. God, I suck at applying lashes. Let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and back to the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna go in for the green and just go in this little inner corner here. And then I'm gonna go purple on the other side. I'm gonna use the Buxom Big Tease mascara. This has been my absolute favorite lately. I got a trial one, a mini, travel size, if you will, in one of those like huge gift bags that Ulta gives you if you spend like 50 bucks. Of course I spent the 50 bucks, so why not? And I freaking love it. So I'm gonna quick do my brows, and that's basically the finished look. I'm gonna toss some highlight on. So we're gonna go to my Makeup Revolution highlighter palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this bright pink one right down here. I'll put a little on the tip of my nose, and I'm gonna like flatten my brush and put it right up my brow bone, because why not? Last but not least, I'm gonna put some, I don't want to say lipstick, I'm gonna put this little pencil from Buxom on. It's a little more neutral, so I think that's good for this eye look, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So here's the finished look. Moving closer so you can see the details. And I think this would be a pretty fun Mardi Gras party look. So, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and kind of feel like I'm missing an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go in with this Becca highlight in Opal. I'm just gonna plop it right in there. And looks like that's the end of our video. So I will see you next time. Bye!